The Cloud Connect Tool Manager now contains a new user-friendly tool assembly module that graphically manages the assembly tool library and provides 3D shank extraction. We'll begin by creating a new milling tool with a shank. Specify the general and cutter parameters. The tool profile picture updates dynamically as you enter the cutter parameters. Click Shank and extract 3D data. The shank for the specified cutter is now created and displayed in green. Next, we'll convert assembly data saved in the tool data library to the assembly data library. A one-click conversion function has been implemented to quickly and automatically execute the conversion to the assembly tool library. The new tool assembly module is used to manage tool assembly data. The usual options are available with which to manage and filter the tool assemblies. The tool assembly module can be displayed in the card or list with summary mode. Now we'll create a new assembly tool. We'll create the assembly by specifying the tool and the holder. Each is a subtask in the tool assembly creation process. We'll begin by searching for the tool we created. The tool displays to the right. The tool subtask is marked as finished. Next, we'll specify the holder. The tool and holder assembly are shown. The holder subtask is marked as finished. The assembly preview changes dynamically. A single click converts the tool with holder to the assembly tool library. Notice that the new tool assembly has been created and added to the Cloud Tool Manager. To use the assembly in NX, select the tool picture and click Send Tool to NX in the ribbon. The tool assembly is displayed with the part.